whenever you come to a beach like the one behind me, you must have gone into the waters for a short swim or just a walk. But can you imagine athletes and swimmers go into these choppy waters and swim for 10 kilometers and 5 kilometers? Because that's what athletes here at the Khelo India Beach Games in Daman and Diu did earlier this morning on Wednesday, which is May 21st. You might be wondering how different or how challenging this swimming in open waters can be from swimming, say, in a 25-meter or a 50-meter pool. Well, we spoke to some of the athletes, some of whom are very young, who are 16 years and 17 years old, about the sport, the challenges that they face, and how it differs from swimming inside a pool. Here's what they had to say. First of all, how was the water and how did you feel today?
Yeah, I was feeling good. The water was fine. The waves were friendly. Yeah,
and also tell us a bit about yourself, your name, your age, the state you're from, and how long have you been doing open water swimming?
Myself, Renugacharya. I am 17 years old. I am studying in second year. Open water, I am swimming past 3 years. But before and now, I'm still a competitive swimmer. I'm a national swimmer.
नाम दीक्षित भूमि यादव है। मैं 10 ईयर से स्विमिंग करती हूँ कॉम्पिटिटिव स्विमर, और ओपन वाटर में मेरा सेकेंड ईयर है। खाना अच्छा था पर चैलेंज ये लगी कि बहुत वेव्स आ रही थी, इसलिए हमें आगे का पॉइंट नहीं दिख रहे थे। ये चैलेंजिंग। Hi, my name is Arna. I am from Tamil Nadu. Yeah, the competition went good. I came second, and this was my first time doing 10 kilometers. It was a bit challenging because of the waves, but it went good. My name is Prakriti Latish Nair. My age is 14. I am from Tamil Nadu. So, me and my parents, we don't live here. We are settled abroad.
Okay.
We come here for training, for state meets, since the training abroad is not so good as compared to here. This year we had the chance to participate in Khelo India, and we got it. I've been swimming for 7 years, 8 years now, and day by day I feel that I'm improving. So one day I'll make it to the international representing India.
Tell me a bit about the differences between normal swimming in a pool and open swimming. What are the main differences and the challenges that you face?
In pool, yeah, it's easy to swim. We can see the water, but in open water we should lift our head. We'll get little stretched on our necks. Yeah, and because of waves, that is also a little bit hard. Swimming in the pool is easier than swimming in the.
तो जो फिटनेस जो होता है, एंड्योरेंस जो करना पड़ता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिसेस जो करना होता है, टेक्निक, उनके बारे में बताइए। डिफरेंस जो पूल में जो होता है, यहाँ पर जो करना पड़ता है।
यहाँ हेड ऑफ स्विम करना पड़ता है, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। पूल में हम ऐसा नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि बहुत टाइम पड़ता है, इसलिए बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस पड़ता है इसमें। So the challenge is one because of the waves, which is difficult, and one more is it's salt water, so it's basically hard to swim. And then, yeah, that's it. Technically, there is no touch pad here as in the pool. So whenever a person finishes in a competition in the pool, there's a touch pad, so you can monitor the timings. Here they keep these boards, so using our tags, you touch it, and they have timings. It's a bit different, but I think the basic concept is the same. And here the current is too strong, and since there's no closed environment here to control it, it poses more of a challenge for us swimmers. There's no lane, so we have to always navigate ourselves. And based on this, if we learn to swim in open water, I'm sure that we can always go and swim anywhere else. And একটা কথা ওয়েভগুলো আছে, সেকেন্ড জিনিস এত নোনতা জল আর ভারী জলটা একটু ভারী ভারী থাকে।
হ্যাঁ, এটা ঠিক যে ফার্স্টে আমাদের ফার্স্ট जो होता है वो इधर लेंस नहीं होता, सो यू हैव टू पुट योर हेड अप इन फ्रंट एंड यू हैव टू सी वेयर यू आर गोइंग. In swimming pool that doesn't happen. You see the lane, you do the turns and you go back again in that lane only. पर इधर वो नहीं होता. इधर होता है कि सब एक साथ स्टार्ट एक साथ होता है, थोड़ा बहुत बॉडी कांटेक्ट होता है फर्स्ट में. उसके बाद तो जो फर्स्ट है वो चला जाता है, जो सेकंड है वो चला जाता है. इस बार मैं सेकंड था, मैं सेकंड हुआ तो हम 3 एक साथ ही जा रहे थे. लास्ट में फर्स्ट मैन निकल गया और सेकंड मैन निकल गया, उसके बाद थर्ड हो गया. वो एकदम लास्ट में ही हुआ. थोड़ा स्टार्टिंग में कॉन्जेशन जो स्विमिंग पूल में हमको नहीं मिलता इधर होता है, बस वही. और सैलिनिटी अभी सी स्विमिंग है तो वो होगा ही, और बाकी सब ठीक ठाक ही है.
These are uncharted territories, right? You can't control these environments. So, were there any fears, or when you first started, any thought of going into this?
No, you see, I'm a competitive swimmer. I still am, but in abroad, we are actually surrounded by lakes and oceans and seas. So, almost every weekend, me and my parents, we just go and take a swim, a dip in the beach and all. So, swimming in open water has never been a fear for it. It has been more of a passion. पहली बार बहुत डर लगा था, फिर एक बार पानी में गई तो कुछ नहीं हुआ.
कुछ नहीं हुआ. और अभी आपका यूज्ड टू हो गया?
हाँ, यूज्ड.